it's partial, like Rosanna said about the coffee, you'll do it, but it's only because you want to keep the peace.
I think the one that I enjoyed the most was the color, the brain color. That's something new to me, given me that different kind of perspective of looking at people. And something special about the brain color is it's embedded, it's in your DNA. I have a pretty good impression on Dave and Rosa. Dave is pretty expressive in his way. So the things that he says and the things that he shares are quite on the point itself. So I understood everything that he mentioned, and it really helped when he explained it in a different way. So
one thing that you know that after you learn all these colors of brain, I think I start realizing that people are different. You know, you do realize that every people are different. But when it comes to works related, when it comes to relationship, you kind of not sure why a person behave that way. So knowing how do they think, how do they process is very important, so that you know that each people are different.
I think the heroes will give a lot of impact, impact in terms of how I emotionally handle it, and also empower it and embrace it. And I think because I never had this kind of program before,